Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to factory reset a Windows 11 PC and laptop. Click on Restart, Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security. Now in this System tab, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here guys you will see some settings. Reset this PC. Click on Reset PC. Now guys here you will see two options. Keep my files. Removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Second setting, remove everything. Removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. So once you select any option, make sure you have backup for your personal files. You can move and save your personal files and data in external hard drive. So this is the way guys you can reset your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.